So we are in the beautiful town of Queenstown. We got here yesterday, just had a really chilled out afternoon. Today we're going for a nice lunch and we're just walking around the gardens at the moment. We've just had a really nice breakfast and that's it. So we'll show you our time in Queenstown.
Woohoo! What's up next for the day?
Shopping! I'm buying an outfit for lunch today because I'm so extra.
It's true, you are very extra.
This is the famous Ferg burger.
Ferg burger tonight, actually something that late. And we're here because our roommates in the hostel freaks. It's too awkward to be in the same airspace as them, so here we are. Yeah, boom boom, ding 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 ding, cup of water.
Enough, so we're here. I mean, yeah. I'm a grumpy steak. Number 33. What do you make of it all?
Well, bit cold.
Yeah.
That bed was super comfortable though.
Superb.
Superb. Like, I could live in this cabin the rest of my life. Quite frankly.
I'm feeling tired, but good. The bed here is so cozy. It's really, really nice. We're up early this morning because we're going to Milford Sound. So I've just cooked Matt a delicious omelette and some coffee. We've got a thermos for the road. We're taking our esky with us because we'll probably cook lunch on the way back from the Sound because we've got all this food that we need to eat. So yeah. Okay, so this is the cabin we just spent two nights in. Very minimalist. It's absolutely beautiful though. So really, really tiny. As you can see, there's just a couch, a bed. There's only one light and no power outlets. So we cooked just using this little gas stove. The fire, which unfortunately the wood seemed to burn really quickly, so I don't know, it didn't last very long. Then we've just got a little sink, and Matt's a little bit puffed out because I've just forced him to take all the stuff down to the car.
Yeah, it's like, we're not sure if we're supposed to drive the car all the way up to the cabin, so we're parked down the hill because like you could drive it up here, but it's on the grass, so we'd probably end up tearing the grass up. So anyway, I got my steps in for the day.
Yay! And then we've just got this little table here, which Matt and I have just taught ourselves how to play poker. So we sat here for 2 nights just playing poker and betting matchsticks, actual matchsticks. And I'll take you outside. So this is the view. Like, are you kidding me? Yesterday you could actually see the snow-capped mountains. Today you can't, unfortunately. But this is what we get to wake up to. And then outside the little cabin, there's just a little couple of rocking chairs, which is really cute. And then just an outdoor setting where we would have sat had it not been torrential rain the whole time. But yeah, this is us, the Tui cabin. Okay, so we are on the way to Milford Sound, but we've just driven past like a little booth and a big notice saying the road from Hollyville Holyford is closed, update at 10:30. Because we've had quite heavy rain over the last 24 hours, there's actually avalanche risk on the road, which as Australians you don't hear that often. So we decided to go for the drive anyway, because it's about an hour away where the road stop is. And we just figure, you know what, we get there and it could be open or it could be closed, but hey, we'll have seen some scenery anyway. It would be a shame to miss the tour, but I don't know, we'll just take it as it is and enjoy the drive, I guess.
Yep, nothing we can do to control it one way or the other, so we'll just drive along and hopefully we get to do our tour today, but otherwise something to come back for, I guess. So we've finally gotten to the point where the road is closed, going into Milford Sound, and it looks like it is well and truly closed. There's some cars queued up, but yeah, I think everyone's just kind of waiting here in vain, hoping that it'll open.
Yeah, the next update was supposed to be at 10:30 and it's just about 10 o'clock now. But I just don't know if I'm prepared to wait another half an hour to then be told, no, you have to turn around. Like, we could start making some ground. We actually went into the camping spot, to the spot where we were going to camp last night, and there's a really good shelter there, so if anything we might just stop and have lunch, cook up a barbie.
Oh, it's not even 10 o'clock yet.
Or brunch. just hang out and then head back to the cabin, I suppose.
So all around there seems to be some unholy force that wants to prevent us from getting to Milford Sound. There's some amazing waterfalls that we can see from here.
You can just see the water just like dropping off them. It's crazy.
So we can see how spectacular this place would actually be if we got the opportunity to see it, but I just don't know if that's happening today.
Yes, unfortunately I don't think that's going to go ahead, but it was a really nice drive anyway. Fiordland National Park is like spectacular. But yeah, anyway, it's part of the adventure.
Cheers. Well, at least we got to drive through it by ourselves. There was no one else around.
No one else around, and now we've got our thermos coffee, so we're G.
Alright, walking into our new Airbnb. We decided to splurge a little bit at the end here, and
So extra.
yeah, it looks like it's paid off.
I mean, look at that view. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, can't complain about that as a view.
Oh my god. Which room do you want?
How many bedrooms are
I
there?
think there's only two, but okay, so this one opens up to this.
Oh
and the
yeah.
other one's opens to the main road. This is pretty good.
Yeah, I think probably this one. It's got a bath in it too.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm gonna have a bath tonight.
That's pretty nice.
And then it goes through to the other bedroom.
What this does.
Yeah.
Oh. Weird. Oh wow. Twin shower too.
This might be the best Airbnb we've ever stayed in.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Holy crap. This is amazing. Oh, a vacuum.
Pretty spectacular.
Alright.
Cool. Morning everyone. Just woken up in our beautiful Airbnb. Today we're going to do the Hooker Valley track, which is not what it sounds like. And then we'll be seeing some sights in Lake Tekapo on the way back. So yeah, should be pretty good, I think. And then we've got this nice comfortable Airbnb to come back to afterwards.
So I've just stopped at a little bakery in the town of Fairley. Matt has ordered himself something for brekkie, and we're just laughing because often before we go on a hike he does not fuel himself well. What have you ended up with this morning?
This is called a breakfast roll. It weighs a kilo easy.
Is it actually bread? Or is it like pastry?
It's pastry and like bacon and cheese, and like it's obviously delicious, but
Probably
it's not
not.
what you eat before going on a hike.
Yeah, let's see. Oh.
Although this hike is supposed to be very easy, so.
Yeah. So what hike are we doing today?
Hooker Valley.
Hooker Valley.
So yeah, there's all these like women
Oh,
there
stop it.
that you can pay for services, and men, of course.
Oh, that's it. I'm turning you off.
This is New Zealand, very progressive.
Oh.
All right, we have just arrived at the White Horse Hill campground, which is the trailhead for the Hooker Valley hike. It's pissing down rain and there is considerable avalanche danger, but you know, we're not going to let another set of rain and avalanches prevent us from seeing something, so we'll go and see how we go with this today.
Yep, it's snowing. Well, there's snow everywhere.
Yeah.
We didn't really think we'd get to see snow on this trip, so that's really exciting. I can't wait to go frolic in the snow.
So we survive.
Ah! Hello.
Okay, so we're at the start of the Hooker Valley track. We're probably not going to do it because it's like a blizzard out here and there's an avalanche risk. So we're just going to go. Alright, back in the car. Holy shit, my face is completely red.
Oh my god. Whew.
Well, we've pulled out of this one for the moment.
Oh, it's so cold. Oh, if only you could feel us. I can't.
Yeah,
I can't feel anything.
I can't feel my face here.
Look, that was heaps of fun, right? And I think being in the snow is really beautiful, but if it wasn't raining / snowing / hailing, that would have been a really beautiful walk. But
yeah.
like, I mean, I think I can feel it's actually hard to talk. It's so cold.
Yeah. So unfortunately, this is another thing on the for next time list. This is probably a summer thing, I think, because you'd probably still get some snow up on Mount Cook and everything in summer.
We didn't expect this. Like, it was a beautiful drive actually, and it's a bit disappointing because where we were this morning in our Airbnb, the weather was flawless. It was so sunny and beautiful, and like, it was windy, but it was nice. And it like feels, I mean, I've never been in a blizzard, but that's what it feels like.
Oh, now we're going to go back to Lake Tekapo.
Go to the hot springs.
Yeah, see the Church of the Good Shepherd and go in the hot springs.
Yes,
so that we can thaw our faces out.
Yep, D Thor. Hello, today is the last day of our 2-week road trip around the South Island of New Zealand. We've had a really amazing time. We've done a lot of driving, but it's just been incredible. We've just seen parts of the country that I guess we didn't really know about. New Zealand is just such an incredibly beautiful country. Like, I don't know, I feel like every time we went outside, you're just like, oh my god, like mind blown.
It was pretty amazing. It was a bit of a shame about the weather some of the time. Like, we missed out on a few things because of that, but it's just stuff to come back for. And fortunately, it's the sort of place that we will come back. It's not as far out and exotic as some of the other places we've been.
Yes.
So we will get the opportunity to come back and see the things we didn't get to do. Now we're just queued up to get back on the ferry and go back to reality. So yeah, next we'll have to explore the North Island a bit more.
Yeah, definitely. I'm so keen to see the North Island, especially in summer, because we experienced our first New Zealand summer last year and it was incredible. So we're really looking forward to that. So yeah, stay tuned.
Yep, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Oh, B-roll.
Again. Oh, sit on.
Oh, this is B-roll. Very good quality B-roll.